Good morning, Cheri. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for your online inquiry on our Honda Civic Si in black. Got that vehicle. It is ready for immediate delivery, so please give me a call, 205-541-2862, so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin, make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard. My number is 205-541-2862, and when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.